This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remaxability Plus. No money down financing. Welcome home! Charming 2-bedroom 1-bath home on 4.94 acres in immaculate condition inside and out. Large living room with beautiful hardwood floors and a wood-burning fireplace. Nice eat-in kitchen with fully remodeled bathroom. Laundry room on the main level. New screened-in porch. Newer water heater, pressure tank, well pump, water softener, garbage disposal, dishwasher and sulfur eradication system. 2-car detached garage, extra flex room that is heated and can be used as a man cave or crafts room. Beautiful setting and plenty of privacy. This one is truly a must-see.